Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. I am in the process of moving more trees from the plant room indoors. Outside here into the glass greenhouse, the temperatures are slowly warming up. We haven't had any freezing nights for quite a few days now. So the first tree I brought out was my banyan tree, or my Ficus benghalensis. I pruned this tree up in November of last year. So all this new growth is from the winter. And boy, did it grow on this one trunk line here. Let's have a look at it. Here is a look at that new growth. So it extended way out here. So the tree was kind of in front of the back bench, and this branch was reaching for the light, the grow light. So that's the reason it took off and grew long like that. I can see there's a few aerial roots growing from the top of the trunk line there. There's lots of other aerial roots. Some of the leaves on this bottom branch went a little yellow. And the rest of the growth has been quite small. There's some good growth on this branch. Not much on this one. Yeah, most of the energy went into that great big long shoot. I'm going to prune the tree up and get it ready for growing this summer. So I'm going to start with this really long, vigorous shoot. So I have a leaf pointing downwards. I have one coming out towards the camera, one on top, one on the bottom. Not much out this side until I get way out here. So I have to decide, well, what direction do I want this branch to continue growing in? I have a shoot here that can take over as kind of the upright leader, so it would make sense to prune to a downward facing leaf here, kind of have the branch continue to weep. I could leave, there's like this one and this one and this one are all kind of in that same area. I think I better prune it back short, keeping my internodes quite short. Otherwise, if I prune out to here, I have a long straight section of the trunk line. So here I go. Done. So that whole top came off the tree. Wow, that's a big top. I'll remove this old leaf here. And around the back here, there's an old leaf here. You can see at the base of that leaf, the bud activated and started growing a branch. So I can take away the old leaf. There's a spider on the tree. And then this upright one here I can prune back shorter also. So let's have a look at that. So here is the leaf, an old leaf. At the base of that leaf was a bud that activated and grew this branch. So I'll remove the old leaf like that. And then I've got to decide what to do in this area. I can see eventually, I've got a branch here and one here, pruning this top off, removing the whole top to kind of keep it as a banyan style tree. But I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to prune it. I have a leaf here and one here, so I'll prune it just above here. So here I go. Done. And then I have a couple of branches here, but I don't know, maybe this one could be pruned. It's getting a little long and straight, so I could take off the tip of it like that. And I don't want to touch this one. It only has 2 leaves on it, so it's fine. That lower branch down here, I could remove the 2 yellow leaves. They've kind of done their job, and that one just fell off anyway. Yeah, keep the healthy leaves. You can see the aerial roots have thickened up quite a bit. They're looking quite nice. There's another branch here that doesn't have any leaves on it yet. A few starts to some aerial roots up here. Some leaf stubs there. Just peeling off those leaf stubs where old leaves used to be. Yeah, I think that's it for the banyan tree. I'm just looking, there is a little bit of scale insects on it. There's a few blisters on the underside of the leaves. So I probably should spray it. And before I spray it, I should remove my spiders. There's one here. Yeah, I can see some scale blisters on the underside of the leaves. Not very bad, but they're there. Here's what I took off the tree today. So there's what's left on. And here's what I took off. So some pretty big branches. Yeah. So now it's time to spray the tree with the soap and water. All right, here I go with the soap and water. And that should be good. I've left the soap and water to sit for a few minutes, so now it's time to rinse it off. So here I go. And I'll rinse all that soap out of the soil. Give the tree a really good watering. It's first day out in the sunshine after spending the whole winter under plant lights. I think it'll like it a lot better out here. So I got this tree in the winter of 2021. So I've had it for 4 years now, and it's developed quite a bit. When I first got it, it was just, I don't know, about this thickness in a pot, a straight plant. And it's getting there. It's got a long way to go, but it's come a long way too. Okay, so that is rinsed off. My banyan tree is all pruned up and ready to grow for the summer. I think this summer I will repot the tree, having a look at the root system and sorting it out. There may be some of these aerial roots I can reposition a bit. But I'm happy with the progress. As I said, I want it to look like a banyan tree with the spreading branches, the low branches, and all the aerial roots coming off of it. And this is called the banyan tree, and that's why, because they grow in that banyan style. So I'm looking forward to developing that style with this tree. And that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.